are Liz and Elizabeth from Simple Simon and Company, and we are back with part 4 of our traditional quilting series this summer for our nautical flags.
And this is the last block that we need to make for our traditional quilt. And we've got the letter R for you right now, and it is a great block because you've seen this block a lot around in modern quilting right now. So it's great to put in our traditional quilt, but it's also a good block to know if you are wanting to dip your toe into modern quilting. All right, so to make this block, you're going to need to have 4 red squares, and they are going to be 4 1/4 by 4 1/4. So you need 4 of those, 4 1/4 by 4 1/4. Then you're going to need 2 yellow strips. They are going to be 2.5 inches wide and 4 1/4 inches long. And then your last piece that's going to go over here, you're just going to need 1, and it's 2.5 inches wide by 10 inches long. Now we're going to start sewing these suckers together. So we're going to do right side to right side again, and then we're just going to do, as we've done with everything in our block so far, is we're just going to use a 1/4 inch seam allowance. And yellow's going to go in the middle and red's going to go on each side. So she's got the yellow one in the middle, and now she's going to put red on the other side. These are wicked fast to sew up. And if you watched our earlier one about chain piecing, we usually chain piece these type of blocks together.
So here's this one if you want to press that one, and then I'm going to go ahead and put our yellow strip down the middle. We have one of these already made.
And I'm doing like I've done before, where I'm pressing towards the dark fabric. So I'm saying the yellow is going to be the light fabric and the red is going to be the dark. So I'm just pressing towards the darker fabric. Pressing the wrong side first, so I'm going to flip it over to the right side. And give it a good last press. Make sure there's no weird creases. And now we will add the top piece to our block, and it's going to make this really cute cross.
Well, and this would be a great block if you were doing it in even some print fabrics. You could put a solid white down the middle. Super versatile quilt block. Just line that back up, and here we go.
This is another quilt block if you're really worried about making sure those lines are nice and straight going from the top all the way down to the bottom. If you're a pinner, this would be a great block to pin. I'm never a pinner, so I did not pin this one, but if you are a pinner, this would be a great one to pin. Okay, I'm going to flip it over here to the back side. I'm just going to nudge my iron in here. I'm just going to tug on that fabric a little bit to make sure I don't get crazy creases. All the way down, and our R block is almost done. I'm just going to press it on the front side as well. The more seams that you get, the trickier your pressing can get. So I always just kind of like to help it along a little bit. Got to help this guy a little bit more.
You got a little stuck in there.
He's being difficult. All right, almost done. And bam, we're finished.
Perfect. So now we have all 4 of our quilt blocks ready to go. We're going to come back with our next video and show you how to put in some sashing and some other techniques that we've used on this traditional quilt so that you can put the whole quilt top together.
All right, we'll see you then.